Hi everyone, I'm Nevrie, and on this video I want to help you display reviews on a Weebly website. Before we get started, please make sure you generate your reviews from your Google location, Facebook page, Twitter reviews, or Yelp. Once you have them here, you have different layout settings, filters, and you can also add your own custom CSS to customize the look of the widget. Once you're done customizing, save the changes and just get the code. Okay, so once the code is copied, go to your Weebly dashboard and under Pages, choose the page where you want to display the reviews on. For this example, I've created a testimonials page. I will click on it and I will click Build. Okay, so on this page, I want to display the reviews here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to this Embed code box and I'm gonna drag it on this section. Okay, so just click on it and click on Edit Custom HTML. Paste the code you got from Embed Reviews here. And the reviews will appear in a second. So here this is the slider that I generated on Embed Reviews. And to save the changes, just click on Publish. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us on our chat or send us an email. Thanks for watching.